Akiaria na andiki a mohoro hindi ya guthurima gucekanwo kwa murimo wa Ebola kiharo-ini kia ndege kia Jomo Kenyatta, Minister wa ugima wa mwiri Sicily Kariuki ni arikirie gukinyaniria ati gutire na ripoti ona imwe ya murimo wa Ebola guku bururi-ini.
We are prepared in the event of any eventuality, but confirm that we do not have any cases of Ebola in the country today.
Ni kugerera gwikuirwo kwa ndwari ta ino kuri mutumia wa miaka 36 thibitari-ini wa Kericho kuria Sicily Kariuki arikirie kuga uthuthuria wa naihenya uria wikirwo wonanirie ati murwaru ucio ndari na maundu maria mangikinyaniria kuga ati ari na murimo uyu.
There is in the obvious telling signs of hemorrhage, and she is stable as of now. As of 2 hours ago when we spoke to the facility, the patient is stable. This would not have been the case if we were dealing with Ebola case.
Akenya makirirwo ati mitaratara mirumu ni yambikitwo ya kugiririria murimo uyu guka guku bururi-ini hamwe na guthurimwo kwa andu aria maraingira guku bururi-ini kugerera mashini cia kuhura mbica, undu uria urekeka iharo-ini ciothe cia ndege.
I also continue to urge my team to scale up and heighten surveillance measures, which indeed we have right here in Jomo Kenyatta Airport. We have witnessed the thermal scanners which are working, and every visitor coming in is going through screening.
Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri ikiuga ikundi cia ataramu ni cireketie kurekererio aria mekuhota gwika uthuthuria na guthima virus cia murimo uyu.
Positioned new team members to help us with surveillance. These are who we call the Ebola champions, a team of officers and health workers who had been sent to Liberia by the government of Kenya when Liberia had Ebola, and we have deployed them also to our border post to support the local team which has also been trained.
Muingi wa bururi ukiurio gukorwo uri maitho na njira ya guthie thibitari mundu angikorwo ena ndariri cia murimo uyu ta homa, kuinaina, guturwo ni mutwe kaingi, kana mundu angikorwo ni eriga guthie mabururi-ini maria magumeirwo ni murimo uyu ica ikuhi gatagati ka mangi.
Say that if you should see or be exhibiting any one of these conditions, it's only fair you present yourself to a facility, a health facility, so that we can rule out.
Ndomereri ya kuonekana kwa murimu uyu kuri mutumia uria urerikana ni aracerete tauni ya Maramba mwaka-ini wa Kenya na Uganda yukite thutha wa Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri kurekereria ndomereri ya kuonekana gwa virus ya murimu uyu bururi-ini wa Uganda. Ithimi cia thakame ni irekirie gukinyio kuri gikundi kia uthuthuria wa mirimo guku bururi-ini Kemri niguo ithurimwo makiria. Handu-ini ha Njata TV, ritwa riakwa ni Njeri wa Njoroge.